Hi everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you how to find the factorial of a number in C. So let's get started. So currently I'm having here a simple template. I'm just getting a number as an input from the user. So for those who don't know what is factorial, so we will be getting the number n from the user. So for example, assume that I'm getting the number as 4 from the user. So the factorial of 4 is going to be 1 into, or you can call it 1 in times 2 into 3 into 4. So this is going to be the factorial of 4. I think this is going to be equal to 24. So this is what we call as factorial. Basically it's just the product of numbers starting from 1 till the number given by the user. Alright, so this is going to be the simple logic that we are going to have over here. So first let's just begin with the code. Okay, so for this we just need to iterate from number 1 till the number that we have got from the user. So for that we can just use a for loop or a while loop. I'll just show with a for loop. Alright, so for the number begins from 1, so it's going to be int I equal to 1, and the number is going to be the input number from the user. So this is going to be the ending number. So it's going to be I less than and equal to n. So we need to put equal to over here, because if we don't put equal to, it will just consider till 3, because it takes till n minus 1. So we need to add here equal to also, and it's going to be I plus plus as usual. And next thing, we need to have a variable that stores our value. Alright, so for example, we will be initializing sum equal to 0 in many programs. In case if you want to find the sum of numbers, we will do that at first. And similar to that, we also need to have a variable that stores our number in that. Alright, so for that, go to the top. I'll just have it as fact. And another important thing is that you shouldn't initialize this to 0 similar to sum, and you will know why we shouldn't do that in a while. And we need to initialize this to 1. Alright, and the condition inside our for loop is going to be fact equal to fact asterisk I. Alright, so this step does this step. Alright, so let me also explain you how this is going to work with the demo now. So just imagine the number 4. Okay, we have got the number 4 over here. 4 comes over here. I value is currently 1. This is how it is getting initialized. I value is 1. It goes here, fact equal to fact initial value is 1. So this is the reason why we need to initialize fact value with 1, because if we initialize this with 0, it happens like this: 0 times 1, which will give us 0, and next iteration I will be 2, 0 times 2 will be 0, 0 times 3 will be 0. So we will be getting the factorial as 0 at the end. So this is like super important. You need to assign this as 1. So now let's continue the flow. So fact is currently 1, so I'll just put 1 here, and I value is currently 1. So our factorial variable value is 1 at the moment. So the for loop is done. It increments the value. So I value is now 2. It goes over here, fact previous value is 1, so it's going to be 1 times I current value is 2. So fact current value becomes 2 now. It goes here, increments this, I becomes 3, goes here, fact asterisk I, fact previous value is 2 times I current value is 3, so it becomes 6. I value gets incremented, it becomes 4. Fact previous value is 6, so 6 times I current value is 4, so it's equal to 24. And after that it checks for the condition fails, because I value will become 5. This condition will basically break. So we will be getting the factorial as 24 in the output. We can just print that, that's it. So I'll just copy this and print factorial is. So this is the code basically. Yeah, saving it, you can just remove the comments. Yeah, and if I run it now, so enter a number. Let me go with 5 this time. We need to get 24 times 5, which is 120. So here you can see I'm getting 120, and if I run it again, 4 this time, so I'm getting 24. So that's the code, guys. I hope you would have found this video useful, and the entire code and program is in the description in my website. If you want to watch that, you can just click on the link. that's it for this video, and check the playlist. I've done a lot of videos in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL queries. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.